Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be getting it all done. I have a long to-do list. It's not like long tasks or anything like involved, but just kind of random things that have been piling up that I need to tackle today. So I have to put my clothes away. I have a major pile collecting there on my desk. I have an herb garden that I got for Christmas that I want to put together. I just haven't had time to do it yet. I have been doing cash envelopes, so I have to unstuff envelopes and stuff my new envelopes. I want to dust and vacuum. I have some organizers sitting in the dining room or in the living room that I want to put downstairs and figure out. I have a bunch of packages sitting downstairs, like Amazon stuff that I need to do. I have 2 loads of laundry to fold, and I have makeup brushes that I need to clean. So I'm actually going to start with cleaning the makeup brushes because I want them to have plenty of time to dry. So I just take them in a little, with some dish soap and just kind of wash them that way. So I am going to do that and start with that and then just kind of tackle all the stuff. Like I said, it shouldn't take me too long, but just a long list of stuff to get done today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you subscribe if you are new, and let's get started. Can I just say, I love my outfit today. I have one of these like Amazon tanks on, and it's just like has the bra inside of it and this little cute button-up shirt and some leggings and my comfy slippers. Such a mom outfit, but so cute.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang.
Took a break, made the kids lunch. They each have a friend over and did like the dishwasher and made my bed, my sheets, switched over Leighton's laundry and all that fun stuff. So now back to my other to-do list of random stuff. I'm going to take care of this pile of clothes now, and then I am going to do the cash stuffing envelopes, and then we'll go from there because I truly forget what else is on my list. I know it's long though. Dusting and vacuuming, Amazon packages, it's all coming back.
I want you there right by my side, baby, please. To hold me tight throughout the night. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Oh yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. stupid. I feel so young. Drunk. I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 so take me on a trip, 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 trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no
So cute.
flaws.
I'm so excited. I'll let you guys know when and if this thing works. Alright, now I'm just taking a quick break for a piece of chocolate and to make some dinner. So tonight we're gonna have some pasta sauce. We just started getting butcher box, so this will be the first thing that I try making, so I will let you know how it is. But we are going to make some pasta sauce. I have not had pasta because we were so over pasta for having it so much around Christmas, and we had so much leftovers that we ate it for like an entire week and we're over it. But I've been in the mood for my homemade pasta sauce, so that is what we are gonna make now.
Henderson is their #1 back. He got hurt, brought in Sony Michelle, and now they've got
All right, now that we have our dinner going, I am going to take care of all those packages at the bottom of the stairs. Then I need to dust and vacuum, and I have the returns are all like down there. I'm gonna put the organizers away. I'm watching the Bucks in the Rams game, rooting for the Bucks, because if the Patriots are done, we vote for Tom Brady. That's just the way it is. I always say vote. I get that from the kids. It's root for Tom Brady. But I have all these organizers that were sitting over here that I'm actually going to return, I think. I really don't need them. What? I really thought I was gonna have a place to put this big jar, but I really don't. So I don't know if I want to keep it or not. I haven't decided. But this is just, I got these at Target and I don't need them. So I'm actually gonna return them. And I actually got 2 other things for the kitchen project that I didn't use. So I'm gonna put all of those in a pile, and I'm headed to Target tomorrow. I'll take you guys with me. I'm going to vlog tomorrow. So I'm in the mood to go shopping. Sorry, Kev.
You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws.
Right, now it is just time to dust, just like a Swiffer around the whole house, and then a vacuum, and we will be done. So I am obsessed with my closet here. If you guys haven't seen my linen closet organization video, go check it out because it has really been working well. I mean, it's only been like 2 weeks, but I'm obsessed. We even have an empty shelf. I think I'm gonna put contact paper on here at some point, but it really is all working out. But I am just obsessed. We have extra like cleaning rags. I love this. It makes my linen closet actually smell really good because these are like the Febreze ones. So, and it's got like lavender. So I have all of my Swiffer things in here. I have all of my bed sprays and room sprays and all of that in here. All of our medicines, everything. Hurry to Target. I'm actually, when I go tomorrow, gonna buy some extra ones of these just to keep because they're like $5 and they're the best organizers like ever. So make sure you go check out that video if you haven't already.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
Kevin said it was sounding funny yesterday, so it is what it is. It lasted us like 5 or 6 years. So I'm gonna go out tomorrow, like I said, and head to Target and add that to my to-do list. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this get it all done video. If you like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.